All right, we got like a 80s, maybe 90s style bathroom. I get the mirror off. I'm gonna do a remodel. I got lucky on my mirror where it had these were already loose. So I just pushed that up and took it off. I'm going to disconnect the water, pull off those faucets, get the vanity out of here. I took off the shower door, which was really easy. It's basically, if you have a glass shower door, just any Phillips screw that you see, take it off. and then each piece comes off one by one. It's real simple. It's real simple. The hardest part of the shower door was the silicone or whatever they stuck it to with. It didn't want to come off. Before I take off this stuff, and I already loosened it, before I bang on the tiles and get rid of those, I'm going to turn off the main water just in case. Worst thing you could have happen is have a water pipe break in a wall. But it's wired for cable, and we used to have a TV there. We're going to put another one there. And then I got a GFI down there that I'm going to tie into and put in heated floors. This is just a closet, but that's the start of it. It's a DIY deal, so I'm going to make a lot of mistakes and bleed a lot. I've already bled pretty bad once on that tiny little bit of tile. So if you're in a position like me where you think, I think I can do it, but I might be a little bit over my head, don't worry at all. I'll walk you through the problems that I have, which on these how-to videos, sometimes stuff just goes way too easy. So I'm going to try to emphasize my difficulties and the easy parts. Like that shower door was so easy. It was just, there was Phillips screws all over it. It was simple. The mirror was so easy because it just, so, you know, if you have you can just smash your mirror. Sometimes they put on mirrors with construction adhesive. So you can just smash them if you're doing that. Don't believe in the superstitions. So I took off the hardware. It's actually my wife's idea. We might use the same hardware because it matches that. But I'm probably going to do away with that too. So I'm going to take some before and after pictures. Well, before right now. Hopefully you want to join my journey. This tub, I think I want to leave the tub, which means I'm going to have to break out the tile from underneath it and then put the so that might be cool. So hopefully you want to stay with me and watch. Thanks. The next part will be, I'm going to take off the faucets, turn off the water, maybe in that order, and take off the vanity top and take the vanity out to the dump.